viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to discuss about how to change the wallet password of Luna. This is so simple and easy. You know, we already discussed about Luna wallet, how to install, how to create account, how to find the private key. But today we are going to change our password. Sometimes your password is compromised and you want to change. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, so please watch this video till end. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you can mail to my email address cryptowalletsinfo, and you can also comment below this video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open our Luna wallet, and today we are going to change our password. So how can we change? Simple is that. First of all, I'm going to click on icon of Luna because I need to open my wallet, then I will change my password. Now Luna interface is open in front of me, and you can see here this is the Luna wallet, and this time log. First I need to log in, and then we will change the password. I have entered my password here and click on submit. If my password is correct, then your wallet will be open in front of you. You can see here my password is my wallet is open in front of me, and this is my wallet address, and I have not any balance this time. But today just we need to discuss about how we change the password of our Terra Luna wallet. So simple and easy. You can see here there's 3 dots shown is available here. Simple click on it. Second option is available here, change password. Change password. Simple click on it. After that, you just enter your old password. You must have your old password if you want to change your wallet password. So I have my old password, so that I am going to enter here, and now the option is new password. I'm going to enter my new password here. Before going to enter confirm new password, you must have your password is strong, like your bank account, if you need to save your account from scammer or hacker. Also enter my password, new password here. Now I have entered my old password and also put my new password in both tab. Simple click on confirm. Now viewers, you can see here password change successfully. Confirm. We have successfully changed our password of Terra Luna, and I'm going to also cross check my password change or not. First I'm going to click on log and going to enter my old password for just checking my password change or not. I have entered my old password. You can see here the caution shown here, incorrect password, means my password is wrong, and my password is changed. So now going to enter my new password, which is we have changed. I have entered my new password. Simple click on submit. Now my wallet is open in front of me, means we have successfully changed our Terra Luna wallet password. This is so simple and easy. Sometimes your password is compromised, so you can easily change. So if you face any problem regarding this, so you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments. I hope I will resolve your problem. So again, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. Please like this video, share this video with your family and friend. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.